Hi there, and welcome to KA Designs. Today we'll be demonstrating the attachment method for our Teoxane RHA compatible control ring onto the thumb depressor. You're going to want to start with the slope of the ring facing upwards, and then simply slide on the control ring until it's aligned to the center of the thumb depressor and in alignment with the stem of the plunger. This mechanism works by constricting the rubber on the thumb depressor and can withstand up to 10 pounds or more of pulling force, well beyond what is necessary.